You're members of this political party. As you see union guys and blue-collar guys and gals jump the Democrat Party, and they say, I'm out, I'm done. You know, Tulsi Gabbard writes a book, Love of Country, and drops the Democrat Party. She says, I'm out, I'm done. These guys all stay Democrats. And my question to them is, how can you remain a member of a party that stands with people who chant from the river to the sea and wants to see Israel destroyed? How can you be part of that political party? What John Fetterman should do is switch parties. Cut number 6.
Well, a couple things, actually. I think it really demonstrates how it's astonishing that we are not standing firmly with Israel, and there should never be any kinds of conditions on all that. When a nation can launch hundreds of drones towards Israel, and I'm not going to be talking about conditions, ever. And second, I think that also was Iran had to have some fireworks after Israel smoked that Iranian general, and I'm here for that. And I think it's just a matter of theater, part of it as well, too. And finally, it demonstrates how unstable things are and why we need to lean in and stand with Israel.
A senior administration official tells CNN that President Biden told Prime Minister Netanyahu that the U.S. will not participate in any offensive operations against Iran. Do you think that's the right call, or should direct U.S. military action, as some of your colleagues in the Senate are suggesting, should that be on the table?
I don't agree with that, you know, and I'm just think we should follow and have Israel's back in the situation.
Think about that. Does that line up with the average lunatic who was on the Golden Gate Bridge yesterday? I got news for you. This is going to come as a news flash. Every single one of those nutbags who was shutting down the Golden Gate Bridge or the Brooklyn Bridge or making people late for their flights to Chicago O'Hare Airport, they're all Democrats. How do I know? Well, let's see. Purple hair, they were wearing masks outside. How many years ago was COVID? 52 years ago? They're still wearing masks outside. Nobody's ever gotten COVID outside. They're wearing masks. They have all these shirts on. They are all Democrats. Also, they have no jobs, which is why in the middle of the day they can go out there and shut down bridges. The fact that a Democrat U.S. Senator has to come out and break with his own party shows you the party is lost. It's over. It's done. The nuts have won. They've taken over the asylum and they're running the place. I just don't know how John Fetterman can be a member of that party anymore. I don't know how anybody can look who's a guy who works for a living and think to themselves, this is a party that represents me. This is a party of the coastal elites and the faculty lounge. James Carville said that. So back to the student loan thing. You know why Biden's doing what he's doing? Where Biden's paying out now $559 billion of your money to so-called cancel student loan debt in defiance of the United States Supreme Court. He's doing that as a bribe to all those college kids in Minnesota and Michigan, because he can't afford to lose any of them. And he can't lock down crazy, so he's got to bribe crazy. Since he can't lock down crazy with his politics, because they're so freaking nuts, he's got to bribe crazy to vote for him with giving them student loan debt, quote-unquote, cancellation. That's what's happening. And it's a bribe, whether it comes from a bag full of cash the Jersey way, or it comes from a check. A bribe is a bribe. And Biden is bribing these people with your money. This is the Mark Levin Show, The Great One's Off. It's me, Rich Zeoli, in for The Great One, coming right back.
Mark Levin.
Trump's campaign is picking up steam, and unsurprisingly, the Democrat Party media are ramping up efforts to influence and undermine the 2024 election. Many Americans have had enough. They're starting to see through all this, and the polls are reflecting it. No matter how this media spin, we understand that inflation is not transitory, the border is not secure, and the virus came from a lab. One key reason for this awakening is your support for alternative media, independent media, like Levin TV on the Blaze TV network. We're committed to factual reporting, offering insights the Democrat Party media avoid, which is more crucial news than ever before. You haven't joined us yet, now is the perfect time. Please Stick with us. Visit LevinTV.com. Use promo code Levin, L-E-V-I-N. Get $20 off a yearly subscription. You'll gain full access to our shows, exclusive features, and direct contact with our hosts. This offers more than just savings. It's an investment in the truth. That's LevinTV.com. Promo code Levin for $20 off.
Hey, it's Armstrong and Getty, and knowing the overtime rules is important when it comes to retirement planning and investment management because there are no do-overs in life, especially in retirement.
If you're looking for a local fiduciary who is licensed when it comes to loans, investments, insurance, basically all things money-related, then please call our good friend Greg O'Donnell at the O'Donnell Financial Group.
For the past 3 decades, he's been helping people like you get peace of mind by planning for retirement. So just call Greg today at 866-496-2300 or visit him online at o'donnellfinancialgroup.com.
Again, that's o'donnellfinancialgroup.com.